If you want to set up alarm clock on POCO X7 Pro, first of all, you will have to open a clock application, accept all of these permissions, and as you can see right here, we can find alarm on the left bottom corner. So tap on it and we can already find some 3 presets. So in my case, I'm gonna turn the first one, and if you want to customize it, you will have to just tap on it. Here you can change the time of your timer, and by tapping on additional settings, you can also change ringtone if you want. Then we have to accept allow for all of these sounds. We can set repeat once, daily from Monday to Friday, or custom one. Then you can just go back, and here you can even add vibration to your alarm and add label, for example, wake up. Click here to confirm, and as you can see now it is finished. Please leave a like and subscribe.